Welcome to the Digital Marketers Toolbox, an architectural SEO system designed to eliminate up to 180 hours of structural waste per project. Most SEO projects don't fail dramatically. They quietly consume time. Every step, from research to building pages and revisiting structure, feels necessary, but the project ends up feeling heavier than it should. If building a site takes weeks, silos need restructuring, or keyword overlap appears, it means the architecture is being corrected too late. These issues are not inevitable or bad luck. Most teams assemble websites in fragments. Tasks like keyword research, clustering, and internal linking are handled separately. There is no enforced blueprint governing the system from the beginning. This missing governance layer is where the hidden cost lives. Up to 180 hours can be consumed by research, restructuring, and correction cycles, hours that are absorbed into the process. Multiply this across a year, and 4 structured sites means 720 hours of architectural overhead. At agency billing rates, this opportunity cost can be over $72,000. This is structural waste. Artificial intelligence has made this more dangerous. AI accelerates content production, but if the structure is flawed, it accelerates flawed architecture. Scaling instability makes corrections harder later. Most SEO tools provide data, show search demand, assist with clustering, and generate content. What is missing is the layer that enforces architecture before publishing begins. This is why scaling often feels fragile. Digital Marketers Toolbox was built to install that missing layer. At its core is GALAXIS, a constraint-driven architectural engine that performs the heavy lifting, generating a governed blueprint first. Execution follows structure. It does not guess it. GALAXIS handles the structural work that normally consumes dozens or hundreds of hours. It analyzes the market, clusters keywords into stable silos, defines hierarchy, and maps linking logic. The architecture is engineered before content is produced. When architecture is governed upfront, projects change fundamentally. You prevent keyword cannibalization and eliminate mid-project restructuring, reducing revision cycles. You build once, and you build correctly. Projects that once consumed up to 180 hours of fragmented effort can be compressed into focused, structured sessions. The waste disappears, and efficiency is gained through structure. If you are new to SEO, this removes immediate overwhelm. You no longer guess how to structure silos or fear building the wrong hierarchy. You follow a governed architectural path from the beginning, replacing uncertainty with confidence. If you are experienced, this protects your credibility and margins. You standardize delivery and eliminate structural drift across teams. Scaling becomes stable instead of chaotic. For agencies and consultants, the leverage compounds. Eliminating structural waste dramatically increases effective profit. This structural efficiency becomes a competitive advantage. GALAXIS produces machine-readable exports ready for WordPress deployment. When imported, you are deploying engineered architecture, not launching disconnected pages. Silos, hierarchy, metadata, schema, and internal links are structured according to the blueprint. The annual subscription includes one-on-one training on your first project. You build your initial blueprint with direct guidance, avoiding early structural errors. You implement correctly from day one and are not left to interpret the system alone. The financial comparison is direct. Up to 180 hours reclaimed per project, potentially tens of thousands of dollars in preserved productive capacity annually, compared to the annual plan of $1,997. The leverage is structural, not incremental. Without architectural governance, you continue absorbing invisible labor costs, more restructuring, more reactive fixes, hidden inefficiencies, and unpredictable scaling. Continuing that model compounds waste. With Digital Marketers Toolbox, you operate from a governed blueprint that performs the heavy lifting upfront. You protect your time, margins, and professional credibility. Architecture is installed before scale begins. This video is about leveraging structural efficiency in digital marketing. The focus is on eliminating time-consuming structural waste. The system provides a disciplined approach to SEO architecture. It offers an opportunity to streamline projects and increase profitability. Improved structure leads to better long-term scaling and stability. The Digital Marketers Toolbox provides a clear path forward for structural excellence. This approach reduces risks associated with manual, fragmented efforts. It supports both new practitioners and experienced professionals. Thank you for watching this video on the Digital Marketers Toolbox.